The 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome represents the ultimate blend of Italian craftsmanship, innovation, and performance engineering. Designed for those who desire power and luxury in one stunning package, this masterpiece takes Ferrari's supercar DNA and translates it into a new dimension of comfort and travel sophistication. Every curve, material, and feature in this motorhome embodies the spirit of Ferrari: speed, elegance, and precision. Built for elite travelers and enthusiasts, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome redefines what luxury mobility truly means. At first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome stands out with its dynamic exterior design, aerodynamic silhouette, and signature Ferrari aesthetics. The body features sharp lines, a sleek front grille with the iconic prancing horse emblem, and LED matrix headlights that reflect Ferrari's aggressive styling. The lightweight carbon fiber construction not only improves performance but also enhances fuel efficiency and overall balance. With a low stance, chrome detailing, and futuristic alloys, this model makes a statement on any road. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome comes with a next-generation hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbo V8 engine and an advanced electric motor system. Together, they deliver an incredible 850 horsepower, ensuring top-tier acceleration and control even for a large luxury motorhome. Ferrari's engineering mastery ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience whether you're cruising on highways or taking tight turns on mountain roads. The hybrid system allows eco-friendly travel without compromising performance, offering an impressive range and exceptional fuel efficiency. Inside, the Ferrari Motorhome is a true expression of luxury and comfort. The interior has been meticulously crafted with the finest materials: premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara. The cockpit-style driver zone features a digital instrument cluster, voice-controlled systems, and Ferrari's signature steering wheel with integrated drive mode selectors. The seating arrangement is fully adjustable with massaging and ventilation options, while ambient LED lighting and panoramic glass panels create a futuristic and serene environment. In the living area, the motorhome offers the amenities of a 5-star suite on wheels. A large retractable bed, customizable seating, smart entertainment systems, and a gourmet kitchenette elevate your travel experience. The smart climate control and noise isolation systems ensure a peaceful journey in every condition. Advanced AI-powered automation lets you control lighting, temperature, and multimedia with voice or touch commands. Even the bathroom is designed with elegance, featuring marble finishes, touchless controls, and a rainfall shower system. Ferrari's focus on technology and innovation shines throughout this vehicle. The 2026 model introduces Ferrari Drive Assist, a semi-autonomous driving system combining adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree collision prevention. The infotainment system features a high-resolution OLED display with integrated Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ferrari Connect for remote monitoring and updates. A full suite of sensors ensures maximum safety, including real-time tire pressure monitoring, road prediction systems, and smart navigation based on AI traffic analysis. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the adaptive air suspension, which adjusts automatically to terrain and load conditions, offering the perfect balance of comfort and control. The braking system has been upgraded with carbon ceramic discs, while the energy recovery mechanism boosts efficiency. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not only luxurious but also sustainable, thanks to recyclable materials and a hybrid electric configuration that minimizes carbon emissions. From the exterior to the interior, the attention to detail is remarkable. The LED lighting strips along the sides, retractable awnings, and automated steps enhance both functionality and elegance. Each element of design has been refined to reflect Ferrari's timeless style and advanced aerodynamics. With multiple color customization options, including exclusive Ferrari shades like Rosso Casa and Giallo Modena, owners can make a bold personal statement. On the road, the Ferrari Motorhome delivers unmatched smoothness and confidence. The vehicle's intelligent traction system and torque vectoring ensure perfect stability on all surfaces. Whether driving through city streets or exploring countryside routes, it maintains Ferrari's racing heritage in every move. The seamless integration of luxury and engineering excellence gives this motorhome a unique place in the